What's up, coupon cousin? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, welcome back. What? You're welcome once. Hey, you're welcome twice. What? You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. So what's up, everybody? Happy Monday to you. So y'all, we get ready to do our daily deal for Dollar General. I think y'all gonna like this. I'm gonna show y'all a couple, two, three things or whatever. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Shauna, also known as Budget Boss Coupons across all my social media sites. That is Facebook and also Instagram. So do me a couple, two, three things. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure that you comment in the comment section below. Okay, y'all? So let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, coupon cousins. So the first thing on the list that we are going to be picking up is Arm& Hammer. So Arm& Hammer, we're actually going to get the little pods. They are $3.95. And then after that digital coupon that we use, it's going to be not $2, y'all, $1.95. Now, if you want to pick up the liquids, you can feel free. It's your business, you know. All right, y'all. So the next thing up is the Gain fireworks. So these are everyday price. Y'all already know, $3.95. And as you can see, I did scan it on the Dollar General app to confirm that it was attaching to the coupon. So after the digital coupon, it is $1.95. Y'all, that other coupon you see, the 5 off of 30, y'all already know you have to mix and match that on Saturdays with a 5 off of 25, just in case anybody was wondering and new to watching the video. All right, so the Simply Tide, this $3 coupon is attaching to the Simply Tide, making these bad boys only only $5, y'all, I'm sorry, and 95 cents. Now, they do have some other ones, you guys, that are like $10, that this coupon is attaching to as well. So if Simply Tide is your thing, make sure that you are picking up the ones that are $8.95 so that you can just pay that $5. It is attaching to some other scents as well, like a Break Free. I think it's called Daybreak Fresh, but I'll show y'all. It's just like this one, but it's got a little green sticker that's on it as well. So don't forget, make sure that y'all are picking up the right one for $8.95, and I always scan it on the app. Next up, Purex. Yeah, this is a really good deal. Great stock up price if you like Purex. Their normal everyday price $3. In Dollar General, use that $2 digital coupon and you pay a hot dollar. You can also do the Purex crystals as well. Those are $3 everyday price in Dollar General. Use that same digital coupon and pay a hot dollar for it. So if you like Purex, make sure you stop by Dollar General this week and pick you some up. Okay, y'all. Oh, also, digital coupons are one-time use. So if you're trying to get the crystals and the Purex, let me tell y'all, you'll need two separate accounts. Okay, two separate accounts, digital coupons, one-time use. Next up on the list that we're going to be picking up, we're going to pick us up some Oral-B floss. So the floss is $2.25. And we have a $1 off digital coupon. So that's a great little price. You can keep them in your purse, in your car, or whatever. You know, something that you can take along with you. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and move on over to the next thing. All right, coupon cousins. So remember me telling you guys that this particular coupon was attaching to some other scents. It is attaching to the Simply Tide Pod, the Oxys. And as you guys can see, these are $10.95. And so, of course, after that digital coupon, it's going to make it $7.95. So if you like the Simply Tide Pod Oxy and that's your thing, then, of course, go ahead and pick you some up during the week. Or, as I say, honey, you can mix and match it with your 5 off of 25 on Saturdays. But I did want to show you guys this option. Okay, so the Head and Shoulders. For those of you who don't know, these are located in the trial size section. And some stores even have them in the dollar section. But, y'all, they are $2 each. So what you would need to do is actually pick up 2 of these little babies. And we do have a digital coupon that is available that is attaching to these, which is a 3 off of 2. So to make these $1 for 2 of them. All right, so we have the Simply Tide and also the Simply Tide Pods. We do have a digital coupon that is available. So just remember, digital coupons are a one-time use. So if you want to pick up the liquid, then you need to have an account for the liquid so that you can pick that up. If you want to pick up the Tide Pods, you need an account for that one, okay? So I don't want y'all to think that, oh, well, I'm going to pick up both of these and go to the register and my digital coupon is going to come off twice. No, cousin, that is not how that is going to work. Keep in mind, digital coupons are a one-time use. Don't get up there to that register acting no fool, okay? All right, y'all, let's go to the next thing. All right, coupon cousins. So we have made it to the house, and we're gonna go over this transaction that I just did here. But real quick, I want to talk about this 5 off of 25 because somebody asked me about the paper and the digital 5 off of 25. So for those of you who don't know and are new to couponing at Dollar General, the paper 5 off of 25, it does come on your receipts at the bottom, and you can use it on Saturdays if you want to. Now you can't use the digital 5 off of 25 and the paper 5 off of 25 together. You can't do that. So they have to be in 2 separate transactions. Okay, so I'm gonna say it again, they have to be in 2 separate transactions. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get off into our first deal. This was all digital because I know some of my cousins don't mess with the paper coupons, but this is all digital. Now I did not show you guys the crest in the video or the digital coupon, but these are $2.50, and we have a $2 digital coupon that it is attaching to. And guess what, y'all? It only makes these 50 cents. So this is a great filler item for Saturdays. If you can't find the other toothpaste that's free and only pay 50 cents for it, this would be great for any students, that's going out to college and all that good stuff. Because y'all know it's that time if, your child is actually, or whoever is actually going to be on campus at college. But then, of course, I got the floss. And y'all know the digital coupon for the floss is a $1 off 1. I also picked up the game fireworks, and I used the digital coupon, which is a $2 off of 1. And then, of course, I picked up the Purex, and I used the digital coupon, which is a $2 off of 1. So this right here, I had a total of $7 in savings, and I paid $4.70. So 70 cents, of course, I don't ever, add the tax because, it does vary by the area that you're in. So, yeah, that is like a bomb little haul that anybody can do. All digital, very low out of pocket. I will say this, any of these items, especially this and this, can be used as filler items on Saturday with your 5 off of 25. So y'all take note of that and keep that in mind. Even these right here, because they're $1.25 after the digital coupon. So good little filler items, y'all. Don't forget about that. Or you can, if you don't want to wait till Saturday, you can pick it up during the week. Do your thing, however you choose. So next up on the list is this right here. Okay, so you guys remember when I was telling you that the other scent, I picked this one up so that I could be able to show y'all what it looks like or whatever. So this is the other scent that the $3 digital coupon is attaching to, so that you guys know which scents. Also make sure that you are scanning on the Dollar General app when you are in the store to confirm that your scents are attaching to whatever you're trying to pick up, especially if you are using a digital coupon. Just real quick, for those because I know somebody gonna ask, how do you scan it? I'm gonna show you this picture, and it's a little barcode that is on the Dollar General app that you would use to scan your products with. And that's how you would know if a particular digital coupon is attaching to that item. That's how you would know if it's attaching to the item. It's just by scanning it on the little barcode right there. Okay, y'all? So let's get into it. These are the only 3 items that I picked up on this one for demonstration purposes. But this right here is FREE. This one is completely free. This one right here is completely free. Use the digital $2 off 1 coupon. Makes these little babies right here free. They are $2 in Dollar General. Another great filler item that you can use on Saturdays with your 5 off of 25. Or if you just like this particular toothpaste, just load all your digital accounts up, honey, and just go get them all because they free. Of course, y'all know we got the digital coupon on this. $2 off for $1.95, and then of course this right here was $5.95 with the $3 off digital coupon. And I'm gonna insert this right here real quick, like, so if you're not a person who likes glitches, because that's what that is, because the coupon is attaching to this particular item. If you don't like glitches, honey, don't do it. You know what I'm saying? If your coupon morals will not allow you to go in the store and pick up this particular detergent, because you know it does not match the item, don't do it, honey. I'm just telling you, don't do it or whatever, because I don't need you in my comments acting funny. Y'all know I ain't got good sense. I don't need you in my comments acting funny, honey. But if you don't like it, don't worry about it, baby. It's okay. All right, let me show y'all my receipt. So here's my receipt. So for these items, I did pay $7. $5.95 was for this little boy right here. And then, of course, that way y'all can see. As y'all can see, the digital coupons attached. Everything came off as it should. Let y'all marinate on there right there. And that's my total. I had a total of $7 in savings for that. So, y'all, that's all I got for today. The next video that is coming up is probably going to be either Target or our Dollar General coupon matchup. I'm probably going to also throw another Walgreens video in this week. So if y'all have not watched the Walgreens video from yesterday, do your girl a favor and check that one out from yesterday. Because y'all, Walgreens was kind of tripping yesterday with everything that they had going on. So make sure y'all go ahead and check that out. But other than that, coupon cousins, that's all I got for today. Thank you guys so very much for liking, watching, sharing, and subscribing. Holla back, y'all.